Diamonds in my chain go. Every 20 minutes change clothes. I had a meal before the label. Just as long as they know. Some money made me do it, do it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial. It's going to be a Fenty beauty review. So I'm in this amazing package. So I reviewed the foundation, concealer, under eye powder, sponge, brush, and this is what it looks like right now. honey, if you want an in-depth tutorial review on the Fenty beauty products, the nude drop, the concealers, the foundations, all of that good stuff, then keep on watching. Also, this hair is from RPGshow, so I'm going to quickly show you a tutorial on how I got it to lay like this. I really didn't do much because this hair is amazing already. It's a frontal wig from RPGshow, so just keep on watching, and then later on I'm going to show you how I got this Fenty face, honey. Thank you so much for being patient with me, guys. I'm back now, and yeah, let's get it. Like, let's really get it. The wig comes pre-plucked, which is absolutely beautiful. Stan a pre-plucked hairline. It comes looking like this. It's a medium brown lace as well, so it will blend nicely with my hair. See, already the hair looks great, I'm not gonna lie to you. The color is so pretty. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a brush and just brush it out first. I really love these highlights, and I haven't done anything to it yet. It already looks amazing. Okay, so super easy. We're gonna start off with cutting the lace. Oh, it melts so nicely with my hair. Super natural hairline, I love that. How easy is this hair to do? Living. RPGshow are the GOAT when it comes to hair. I genuinely don't need to glue it down at the moment. It's like a glueless cap. So as you can see, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna straighten it and then see how it goes from there. But at the moment, I just don't see the need to really glue it.
Diamonds in my chain go. Every 20 minutes change clothes. I had a meal before the label. Just as long as they know.
Now I'm just gonna take my straighteners and straighten the heck out of this hair. Okay, so it's time for the Fenty review. I'm so excited. Basically, Rihanna's my mom, and she sent me all of these goodies, all of these Fenty beauty products. Okay, let me stop playing because Rihanna don't know I exist. But thank you so much, Fenty Beauty. This is crazy. This is literally a dream, like a dream come true. They got me the Pro Filter Soft Matte Foundation and the Pro Filter Retouch Concealer, along with the retouching setting powder, a compact mirror, a powder brush, precision concealer brush, a foundation brush. Also have the sponge and the mini precision sponge. Last time I was a 450, but I thought it was a little bit too dark for me, so I'm gonna mix the 450 and 440 together to make my perfect shade. The sponge box looks like this, and then it comes with the sponge in a little packet like that. It's super soft. So I'm going to start off with the foundation on one side. I'm going to start with the 440 and see if that matches a little bit better than the 450, because last time I did try the 450 and it was just a touch too dark for me. I'm gonna use a body foundation brush to start off with this, and oh, the packaging is so cute. The packaging is amazing. It feels super soft, so I'm gonna go in with that side of my face. Just blend out the foundation. And that is a perfect match. That is beautiful. So beautiful. honey, that's just evened out my skin tone beautifully. It looks like I got a velvet finish to my skin. The brush is really good as well. It just evens out the makeup really nicely. It doesn't leave like streaks or anything. I'm not seeing any like bristle fallouts. That's so childish when the brushes, like, their bristles fall out. Like, what, are you a dog? Like, why are you shedding? Why? So we're not seeing any of that right here, because our mom would never allow that. Are you crazy? So as you know, the Fenty foundation is a bit is medium to buildable coverage. It's not like a Huda Beauty that is absolutely full coverage, but you could get there with like a couple of layers. But this is more like about skin and about just a better version of you. Like you don't look like someone else. You just look like a glowy, healthy version of you, and we stan. I knew I was gonna love the foundation, so it's not like news that the foundation is amazing, but I am excited to try the concealers right now. So I'm gonna try the lightest shade that they sent me, which is 420. The application is like this. It's like a thin dome foot. And I'm just gonna go in under my eyes. It's really thick and creamy. It's not watery at all. And I really like the undertone on me. It's like a olive undertone. So I'm gonna use my beauty sponge, my precision sponge, to blend this out. I feel like it's really thick coverage. I didn't expect that. I thought it'd be quite buildable like the foundation, but this looks really nice and high coverage at the moment. Honey, it's a high ass coverage, in my opinion. I haven't watched any reviews because I've been super busy traveling a lot recently, but so I don't know what everyone's been saying about it. This is literally my first reaction. For me, it looks like it's a thick coverage. Like, I wouldn't say this is medium or sheer. I would say this is quite high coverage for me, and I'm living for it. I'm literally living. I thought it'd be medium buildable coverage, but it's actually coming for everybody's necks. Like, the coverage is there. This is the difference between this side and the covered side. I just blended out so seamlessly as well. The finish is like nothing else. Like, it looks velvet. I can't explain it. It's just so thick. I did not expect it at all. Auntie Riri really knows how to surprise us. I will say I'm not crazy about the sponge. I feel like the shape, I'm not really used to it. Like, so it's kind of hard to, it blends really nicely, but it's just hard to work because of this top. Like, I feel like you could just, if it was pointed, it'd be so much easier to blend everything, but that's the only thing I would say about that. But the concealer also, I feel like it sets itself. Doesn't really need that much setting at all. I'll probably go in a little bit because I crease under the eyes, but it literally, I feel like it feels like it's setting itself. How does a concealer set itself? Please? Rihanna? How? How, Sway? Oh my gosh, this looks beautiful. Ah! This looks so pretty. I feel like it looks really kind of natural still. It looks natural to me. I already had the Fenty Beauty contour stick. I use this like pretty much every day. So we're just gonna contour, honey. Contour our lives away. And just blend out that contour. See, normally I'd have to set my under eye straight away. But because of this magic formula, I feel like I don't need to do it straight away. Because it just looks like it's already kind of set, you know? And that is just wild to me. We're gonna move on to set our under eyes now, which I've been using recently. Is the Beauty Bakery. This is amazing. I know I always use Laura Mercier, but this has kind of changed my life a little bit. The Beauty Bakery setting powder, it's amazing. Just gonna set under the eyes. But I feel like this is amazing. The concealer, because it's set itself, I feel like it's gonna save me a lot of powder, because I won't need to use as much because it's already freaking set. Ooh! Girl! My neighbors are gonna think I'm a freak, but honestly, I do not care. What is going on? I look flawless. I actually look flawless. I can't believe that. That is a bit of me, tell you that much, for free. Take my regular black opal powder and then give it a wash around my face, and then I'll be right back with you with the finished result. Even just came out just for me. Guys, look at my skin. To top off everything, I'm just gonna do my eyes. I'm gonna be using this Suns Out Buns Out palette, which is perfect because the sun just came out. Like, what? I'm gonna use the orange and the gold just as a wash over my eye. This palette is so pigmented. It's all I was using in Dubai. It was just so easy to like just quickly do your eyeshadow because it was so pigmented, and I only needed this one palette the whole trip because there's so much of a variety of colors and stuff. It was perfect. Then I'm gonna go in the middle with this beautiful gold. Look how pretty this palette is. I can't do it. If you want a trophy wipe dupe but for eyeshadow, then this is perfect, honey, because you are walking trophy. And you can also use this Suns Out Buns Out palette. I was using it as a blush, so I was just using like the orange light leaf because it's very pigmented as a bronzing blush. And it's really pretty. Don't forget your forehead. Yeah.